SDK.finance. The app folder contains the core logic of the application, following the Expo Router structure for navigation. It helps organize screens and layout efficiency. There are two folders. The first folder is the protected routes only for authorized users. The entrance folder is the public routes. This file defines the route layout of the application. It wraps the app with necessary providers, such as authorization provider, keyboard provider, Gluestack provider. Assets. This folder stores all the static files used in the application, including images, icons, and other media. The Components directory contains reusable UI elements that can be used across multiple screens. The UIKit folder is a collection of core UI components built using Gluestack UI and styled according to a style guide. Constants. This directory stores global constants such as default settings, environment variables, UI system tokens, and others. The Context folder contains various React context providers that manage global application state. The Hooks folder contains custom React hooks that encapsulate reusable logic. These hooks help keep components cleaner by handling shared functionality like fetching data, managing permissions, or handling form inputs. This folder contains translation files for supporting multiple languages. The app uses these files to display content in different languages based on user preferences. Modules. This directory is where feature-related logic is organized. Each module contains the necessary components, hooks, and services related to the specific feature. This approach helps keep the project structured and modular. API queries. This folder defines API query functions, making it easier to fetch, update, and manage data from back-end services. The Services folder is responsible for API communication and other service integrations. The Types folder contains TypeScript interfaces and type definitions, type words. The Utils folder contains reusable helper functions that simplify common tasks, such as formatting dates, handling deep object manipulation, or processing user inputs. appconfig.ts. This is the Expo application configuration. This file defines global settings for the Expo app. It can be used for app metadata, platform-specific configuration, permissions, and others. The .env file stores sensitive information and environment-specific values that should not be hard-coded in the source code. This includes API keys, server endpoints, feature flags. This file is auto-generated from an open API schema and contains all definitions for API and is used for creating an API client. It can be generated manually by the generate OpenAPItypes command or automatically by a post-install trigger after installing dependencies. Additionally, there are two folders, Android and iOS, which are auto-generated by the Expo pre-build command and can be used for building the app or adding native modules.